What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy, back at it again with another video. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of roasting. We're talking 5 drool-worthy recipes that'll have you preheating your oven before the intro's even over. Hi, and thanks for popping in, and a huge thanks to all my subscribers. You guys are the absolute best, and I love seeing all your comments and recipe photos. If you're new here and like my content, please think about subscribing so you don't miss out on any delicious recipes. Alright, enough chit-chat, let's get roasting. Alright folks, first up we're tackling a classic roast pork belly and potatoes. We're talking crispy, crackling skin and juicy, flavorful meat that practically melts in your mouth. Score the pork belly skin with deep, even cuts about a centimeter apart. Rub it with 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Cut 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes into chunks, toss with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Place the pork belly on top of the potatoes in a roasting pan. Pop it into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for an hour. Crank up the heat to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, and roast for another 15-20 minutes until the skin is golden brown and crispy. Let it rest for 15 minutes before slicing. Serve it up with your favorite sides. Get ready for a flavor explosion with the sticky honey roast lamb shoulder. Combine 1/4 cup olive oil, 4 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/2 cup honey, and 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes. Pat the lamb shoulder dry, score the fat, and slather with the marinade. Roast in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, for 3-4 hours, basting every hour. Let it rest for 15 minutes before slicing. Serve with roasted veggies or mashed potatoes. Get ready for a show-stopping centerpiece. Roast beef and red wine. Sear 4 pounds of seasoned beef in a Dutch oven until brown on all sides. Remove beef, then soften 2 chopped onions, 3 carrots, and 3 celery stalks in the pot. Add 4 minced garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of thyme, and 2 teaspoons of rosemary, then deglaze with 2 cups of red wine. Nestle the beef back in, add 4 cups of beef broth, and bring to a simmer. Cover and roast in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, for 3-4 hours. Remove beef and let it rest for 15 minutes. Strain the sauce and serve alongside the sliced beef. This dish is pure comfort food heaven, perfect for a special occasion or a cozy Sunday dinner. Get ready for a flavor-packed journey to Italy with this one-pot Italian roast. Season 4 chicken thighs with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Toss 1 pound of baby potatoes, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1 red onion cut into wedges, and 2 bell peppers with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of Italian herbs. Arrange chicken and veggies in a roasting pan, drizzle with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 45-50 minutes. Make a gremolata with 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, 2 minced garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Sprinkle gremolata over the roast and serve family style. A hearty, flavorful meal perfect for any night of the week. Get ready for a flavor explosion with this garlic and herb butter chicken. Combine 1/2 cup softened butter, 4 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon thyme, 1 tablespoon rosemary, zest of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Loosen the skin of the chicken breasts and spread the herb butter underneath. Place the chicken in a roasting pan and tie the legs together. Roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 30-35 minutes. For extra crispy skin, increase the heat to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, for the last 10 minutes. Let the chicken rest for 10 minutes before slicing. Drizzle with pan juices and remaining herb butter. Alright folks, there you have it. 5 mouth-watering roast meals that will seriously up your cooking game. From the crispy pork belly to the tender lamb and the flavorful chicken, there's a roast here for every taste bud. Remember, roasting is all about simplicity and letting those natural flavors shine through. So don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs, spices, and veggies to create your own culinary masterpieces. As always, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes coming soon. Until next time, happy cooking.